Carl Jung talked a lot about, and he thought it was the most decisive of all the traits, is your extroversion and your introversion. I mean, there really are, you know, um, opposing in a lot of ways. But if you know and understand them from a spiritual personality typing POV, you really come to love what the other offers. Let's just look at this. Let's unpack this. So, introverts have a way of being reflective, right? They love just having a few close friends, right? They're calm. Extroverts, on the other hand, are excitable. They want to experience, they're social, but they're also compassionate. So if you merge these two together, you get a balance that's centered, always centered. That's where your divine spark of inner wisdom lies. So much more in the book. Enjoy.